Hi FST friends, here we go, our next lesson. We've made it successfully through the first concept, so now we're moving on into the second concept, graphs of parent functions. The six major parent functions, here we go. First, the linear function, that's y equals x, okay? So that one looks like this, right? Then of course we have the quadratic, just the standard plain old quadratic, right? Which looks like this, our U shape. Okay, then we have our cubic, y equals x to the third. Okay, that guy kind of looks like this. Okay, goes down, curves, and then continues on up. We have our square root function, which is the one that's kind of looks like half of a sideways parabola, looks something like this. We have the absolute value function, that's our v graph that goes down, okay, and then up, okay. So again, quadratic, the parabola more U shape, okay. Absolute value, definitely a V shape, okay. V in the word. And then we have the exponential function, which kind of starts off slow and then it takes off. Okay, if it's a growth, it looks something like this. Okay, so here we go. We want to state the domain range, interval of increase, interval of decrease for the absolute value parent function. So remember, that's the one that's shaped like a V. Okay, so let me just quickly redraw that. Okay, the absolute value function looks like this. Shh. Okay, looks like this, and so the domain on this one, let's just start with that, okay? It goes on forever this way, and it goes on forever this way, and so of course, whenever it's everywhere, that means x such that x is an element of the real number set, okay? For the range, okay, that's our down to up scan. There's nothing, nothing, nothing until we get to the origin, until we get to 0, and then 0 and higher. So we're going to say y such that y is bigger than or equal to 0, okay? And then of course we've got our intervals of increase and decrease. So increase and decrease, guys and ladies, again, you just want to think of only the x, okay? Only think of the x-axis. Okay, ignore the y, okay? So if you were traveling on this function and you were traveling from left to right on it, wouldn't you agree that you're going down, 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 and then you hit the origin, and then you go up, 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 okay? So wouldn't you agree that you're going down from negative infinity until you get to 0 on the x, right? And then you're increasing, once you get there, you're increasing from 0 to forever, from 0 to infinity, okay? And you're always usually going to want to use parentheses on these, okay? All right, so let's see if you can do the same thing, but this time do the directions for the quadratic parent function, okay? So pause it real quick, see if you can get it, and there's the answers that I think you should be getting, okay? So good luck and get to the practice.